chance for getting selecting during interviews. So I will say that English is very important in interviews, and also if you're a job seeker, that is very important for you. English is speaking. So practice now today's and start your English journey and practice with me. And fourth areas I will say that used meaning most important in used English in technologies area. English is important in technologies. So let's talk about how English is important in technologies and internet. Most websites, software programs, mobile applications, and online resources are available in English. People who know English, they are easily use technologies and learn new. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Preeti. I am from UP. I am English speaking learner. So here in this channel, I am share with my journey, how I face my difficulties in English speaking, how I improve my grammatical error, and how I improve my fluency, and how can I improve my mistakes. And if you join this channel, you will learn a lot of things. You will learn how people face a lot of challenges during them learning, during the practice, and during the speaking and listening, and many more. And it will very helpful for you if you join us and learn a lot of things. I'm trying to English speaking for every day. Not even I try to making mistake, and I will try to improve my fluency and comes very natural. So I try to take a topic and start speaking, and it is very helpful for me. If you are follow this rule, and if you try to speaking, you don't only want your think, you are start. If you are start, then it is very helpful for you. And if you are not even you're thinking, one day I start, that is not beneficial for you. You start today, and if you start today, that in future you will realize your communication and your fluency comes very natural. English is not just come in overnight, it's come everyday practice and patience. So start speaking and try to improve yourself. You practice with in front of camera, in front of the mirror, in front of people. If you practice every day, then it will take. So today I will say that a topic, and I try to speaking, and I try to learn, and I will try to teach you how you learn. And this is my real honest journey. If you are join this channel, it will very helpful for you, and you will also learn a lot of things. So join us this channel, Rise English, and learn with me. Let's come to the main point. Today's our topic is very simple and very important. Today's our topic is why English is important for everyone. English is important for everyone because nowadays English is used everywhere. Let's see what is where is different areas use English. So in this video I try to cover English has become one of the most important language in the modern world. It is used in education, business, travel, and technologies and communication also. For students, learners, and one who are looking for a jobs, English is very important for him. English is not just a language; it is a very valuable skill that opens many opportunities, and you will learn. And if many opportunities open, that you will find it will find your dream jobs, and you are improve yourself, and you are represent how you do and how you better in every area. Let's talk about where is English most used in for speaking and speaking. Let's talk about English help students in education. Today, many school, colleges, and universities use English a lot of as a lot of instructions as a medium of instructions. Most textbook, study material, and research paper and educational material are used in English. So and also these are also it is available in only one English and not only one in Hindi also. But if you are know English, you will learn easily. A student who are learn English and one who are understand English can learn new subject more easily and access knowledge from around the world. English is also help students who are learn English and one who are understand English can learn new subject more easily and access knowledge from around the world. English is also help students read books and study materials, understand online courses and study materials, participate in seminar and presentations, and prepare for competitive exams, apply for higher education opportunities. A student with good English skills can gain confidence in both academic and personal life. Second, English is most important use in communication. If you are if you want to fish many people and they are only one understanding English. If you know English, then you are easily connected. If you are not know English, you are not communicate with confident and honestly. You are not representing yourself in front of people. So if you are learn English and you are try to speaking, and if you are a good communicator in English speaking, then you are easily connect with them. English is considered an international language. People from different countries use English and communicate in English with one another. Learning helps learners express their thoughts, ideas, and opinions clearly. Good communication helps people make new friends, participate in group discussion, give presentation, and speak confidently in front of people and in publicly. You are communicate easily and your thoughts, ideas, and opinion for job seekers. If you find a job, and I will say that English creates a better job opportunities. So let's talk about how it helps for searching a job, and very important for a job seekers. For freshers who are looking for a jobs, English is extremely important for him. Many companies requires employees to communicate in English because they deal with clients, customer, and colleges from different regions. English is also help job seeker write professional resumes, perform well in interviews, write email and reports, and also communicate with customers, clients, and colleges. Candidate with good English speakers and English chance for getting selecting during interviews. So I will say that English is very important in interviews, and also if you're a job seeker, that is very important for you. English is speaking. So practice now today's and start your English journey and practice with me. And fourth areas I will say that used many most important in used English in technologies area. English is important in technologies. So let's talk about how English is important in technologies and internet. Most websites, software programs, mobile applications, and online resources are available in English. People who know English, they are easily use technologies and learn new in English. Knowing the language allow people to learn almost anything. So five, I will say that English helps increase self confidence. So personally, I will say that English is very important in personal growth, and it will very helpful comes your confidence. If you are a, if you are speaking English in front of people, you are feel confident and more confident. When people can speak and understand English, they often feel more confident. They can participate in conversations, ask a question, and express their thoughts and ideas without any fear. Confidence helps in people speak in meeting, give presentation, attend interviews, and also travel comfortable. Build strong personalities. The more people practice English speaking, the more confident become. Sixth point, I will say that English helps in career growth. Learn English is not only useful for getting jobs but also for growing in a career. Employees with good communication skill often receive better opportunities, emotions, and in responsibilities. English is important in fields such as information technologies, banking, healthcare, education, business, customer service, training, and hospitality. Personal growth becomes easier when a person can communicate effectively in English. So I will say that English is important for different areas and regions. If you are fluently, then it is very helpful for him as a student, as a learner, as a fresher. If you are a job seeker, that is very important for you in English speaking. And if you want to growth in personal life and professional life, here English is very important for you. If you want to improve yourself, and if you grow, then if you join a YouTube channel and you are start speaking today, not tomorrow and next day, you are start today and learn with me. If you are practice every day, that is very important for you. One day you will realize your speaking is comes very natural. So I was enough today. If you learn, don't forget like, share, subscribe. Till the keep learning and keep exploring.